Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this tutorial, we will walk through how to install the AJAX control toolkit in your ASP.NET Web Forms project and build a working demo using powerful ready-made controls. The AJAX control toolkit is an open source library that provides dozens of pre-built controls to enhance the user interface of our ASP.NET Web Forms apps with no JavaScript required. It gives you a modern interface without reinventing the wheel. You can use features like modal pop-ups, tooltips, and animated panels quickly and efficiently. Before we start, make sure you have Visual Studio and an ASP.NET Web Forms project ready. This toolkit works best with the .NET Framework 4.5 or above. Installation is simple. Use NuGet Package Manager inside the Visual Studio to search for AJAX Control Toolkit and install it into your project. That's all it takes. Let us do this together, step by step in Visual Studio. Watch how easy it is to get everything set up in under 2 minutes. Let us start with a simple yet useful control, the calendar extender. It adds a date picker to any text box using just a few lines of code. Step 1. Always add a script manager control to your page. It is required for AJAX and toolkit controls to function. Now, add a text box and attach a calendar extender control from the AJAX toolkit. Just specify the target control ID to link it. Let us run the page and see the calendar extender in action. Click the text box and the date picker shows up immediately. No custom JavaScript required. This toolkit offers many other controls too: modals, accordions, autocompletes, and confirmation dialogues, all styled and ready to go. If something is not working, check that script manager is added, the correct version is installed, and there are no jQuery conflicts. We installed the toolkit, built our first example, and reviewed its potential. You now have a powerful UI toolbox ready for any ASP.NET Web Forms project. In the next episodes, we will build advanced examples using modals, autocompletes, accordions, and more, all using this amazing toolkit. Thanks for learning with us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Stay with us as we continue exploring the AJAX toolkit in depth.